So we need to figure out which ones of these are positive. So let's start with A plus C. Negative 8 plus 6.3. We have more negatives than positives, so that is going to be a negative answer. B minus A is 4.5 minus a negative 8. That becomes plus, so 4.5 plus 8, guess what? That one is positive. A minus C, negative 8 minus 6.3. We're starting at negative 8 and we're going further into the negative 6.3, so this one will be negative. C minus B, 6.3 minus 4.5. We have more positive, 6.3 minus 4.5. We're going to end up with a positive here, so that one is positive. And then finally, negative 8 plus 4.5 plus 6.3. Well, we have negative 8, and 4.5 isn't enough to get us out of the negatives, but if you add 6.3 more, yeah, we are, because look, 4.5 and 6.3 is 10.8, so this will give us a positive. So there are 3 positive answers here.